In this lesson, we're going to be looking at scale rulers. This scale ruler is an imperial. As you can see here, we have 1 inch equals 1 foot, 1/4 inch equals 1 foot, 3/4 equals 1 foot, 3 inches equals 1 foot, and so on and so forth. We also have on the opposite side of the ruler the same measurements. With that in mind, when we follow from this 0, we are working using the increasing numbers and their indicated markings. On that same other side, we have 1/4 inch and going from those increasing markings. For this example, we are going to be using 1 inch equals 1 foot because that's what we are going to be using for our off-grid tiny homes. When using a scale ruler to measure a line, you will place the ruler down. Let's say, just looking at this, say we have a line like that. You'll start at the end of the line, place it at 0, and count upward to the marking. In this scenario, we are in between the 2 and the 3. Because of that, what we're going to do is we're going to draw the ruler back until we hit the end of the marking at 2. So we know we have 1 foot, 2 foot, and this section is going to show us how many inches above 2 feet. So even though we typically start at the 0, in some scenarios, you need to go the opposite direction. You can then look in at this smaller 1 inch section. You can see it goes 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. So again, make sure we're all lined up. 2 feet, and we can count out 2 foot, 3, 6, 9, 10. So this would be 2 foot, 10 inches. And 1 inch equals 1 foot scale. Now, if we want to draw a measurement, we need to work using that same process, but backwards. Simple when we have whole numbers. You can start at the 0, as always, and say we want to go to 4 feet. Measure out to 4 feet. Of course, again, if we want 4 foot 6, we then need to start out at the 6 inch mark. We have 6 inches to here, plus 4 feet equals 4 foot 6 inches. You will see in between these is also smaller indentations, smaller markings. Those will, of course, be, we can go 1 foot, 1 and a half. And then again, we have even smaller, and we can go to 3/4. Chances are we will not need to do this in our tiny home models, but great to know. And that's how you use a scale ruler.